వెల్కమ్ టు టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ టీ. చాయ్ తాగుదామా? మరి చార్మినార్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫేమస్ చాయ్ నిమ్రా కేఫ్కి రాకపోతే ఎట్లా? అందుకే నిమ్రా కేఫ్కి మిమ్మల్ని తీసుకొచ్చేసిన. నిమ్రా కేఫ్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ హిస్టరీ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఇరానీ చాయ్ ఎందుకంత బాగుంటుంది, లోపలికి వెళ్ళి తెలుసుకుందాం రండి. మరి ఇంత పెద్ద నిమ్రా సామ్రాజ్యాన్ని సృష్టించిన ఆ స్థాపకులు ఎవరు, వాళ్ళ ఓనర్షిప్ ఏంటి, అసలు ఇంత మందిని ఇక్కడికి ఇంతగా డ్రాగ్ చేయడానికి చార్మినార్ ఒకటే రీజనా, వీళ్ళు కూడా ఏమైనా స్ట్రాటజీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా, చూస్తున్నారా? ఇవన్నీ మనం తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఈ కేఫ్ ఓనర్ అస్లాం గారితో మనం ఓనర్స్ సన్ అంటే ఆయన వ్యవస్థాపకులు, ఈయన ఇప్పుడు మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు అనమాట. హలో అస్లాం జీ. నమస్తే. సో వెర్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ నౌ?
He's in a home now. Okay. Every week they can come and check.
He started this all entire empire.
Yes. He's a man. He's a brilliant man. He's a gentleman. He's a very kind man. He's a very support for my whole big family.
Super.
And I'm not appreciating my words. What my father can done for me and my family. He do everything to me and my whole family. We all are get together in one family, joint family. And my brothers and my cousins all are in one family.
Okay.
And I have a lot of things I want to say.
So much gratitude. Yeah. That's why you are here today. Yes, I think. Yes. So ఇదంతా కూడా కేఫ్ బేకరీ మనం చూస్తున్నాం కదా, ఎగ్ పఫ్ఫులు రెడీ అవుతూనే ఉంటాయి, వేల కొద్ది పఫ్ఫులు. సో అక్కడ నుంచి మనకి అంతా చూపిస్తూ కూడా అస్లాం గారు బయటికి తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. పక్కనే టీ కేఫ్. సో అక్కడ అంతా చాయ్ కాఫీ ఇవన్నీ నడుస్తూ ఉంటాయి. When you start this cave?
At morning.
In the morning.
5 a.m.
You open it in the morning.
Till after this pedestrian zone, as in tourism, they gave us department gave us time to open the cafe at morning 5 a.m. And it's an valuable time to us because that time the all people came from all Hyderabad, from like high-tech cities.
5 a.m. to?
In evening, midnight before 12:30 a.m.
12:30
yes.
a.m. Wow.
And come with me, I have to show you the name.
Whoever comes to see Charminar, they'll definitely have a Nimra chai.
Yes.
And they'll take a photo of that cup, chai cup with that Charminar.
We are so lucky here. Yeah. Yes. We'll have to go the last.
So how do you feel this fame or whatever we call it?
Madam, everyone wants to make himself very big. We'll have to go in that table.
Okay.
Everyone need good marketing and good business for anywhere. But I got a profit about first as in monument. Second, I have to say you all people, those who are here to take the interviews and social
mouth
media
publicity. You have these many public come here and they are enough to publicize your cafe.
Yes.
Isn't it?
It's a landmark from Hyderabad. Whoever come in Hyderabad, definitely they can visit Charminar. It's in second landmark is Nimra. But Nimra is popular about the people are here, as in I think that I can target about every day the mask people. They need product for the value for the money. It's in 75 to 80% people are here. Like they need good food and pocket friendly product. That's why we can get sometime we'll get a good crowd about locals and tourism.
Okay.
So, and you can see the product, how we are taking caring about the freshness and everything. We bake inside the kitchen and we serve in front of customers.
And Aslam ji, we have seen you serving the foreigners. Whoever comes here, the foreigners, you will take care of them a special care. Why so?
It's a proud to us. They came to my country and my state, and we think that if other country people have to came to your location, so it's a proud to us in our state and our country, and they would like to see the hospitality and the communities what they are doing here. As in, people can heard about something bad about old city and somewhere else, but no, I think old city is a gold city. The people are here very good for any community. I have a lot of friends for the other communities, and best friends, not a friend, it's the best friends, and they can come here regular. And as in foreigners, I think that they need something good for in old city. It's the first location they got name of Nimra, and other than here the restaurants was here like Shadab and Pista House, Nayab. This all are very good to try some good food in that restaurants.
So many celebrities also visit your cave. They celebrate the chai with the view of Charminar, the greatest momentum. So how do you manage them? How do if one celebrity comes, the crowd will automatically jump here. Then how do you manage all these things? Recently, KTR also came to your cave, I think.
Yes, I'm here lucky. Lot of celebrities, lot of politicians have to came to my cafe. I could not say any name for the people those who are here, but 3-4 days before, KTR sir, he came to my cafe and they try to had biscuits and Irani chai, and he's very impressed to about see the work what we are doing inside, and I'm very happy about to connect with my lovely team inside the Nimra cafe. They all are backbone to my business. And without him, we are nothing inside my cafe. Without my team, and so KTR sir is very kind and he appreciate about everything from in my cafe. And KTR sir, one more person, two person are there. Harshvardhan Rao sir, MLA Kolhapur, and Ali Maskati and Azam bhai. They all are very kind and they gave me good respect to inside our cafe.
Fantastic. Whoever have visited these celebrities, which celebrities
here-
from Bollywood or Tollywood, anybody came here?
3 years, 2 years before Naga Chaitanya came to our cafe.
Yes.
They also visit here. Maybe they stay here till 25-30 minutes inside our cafe. And in outsider, many celebrities. I don't know the name of Telugu actor. I saw here Vidya Balan in front of my cafe. Akshay Kumar also, and I don't know the name of many stars.
Celebrities,
Yes, in Telugu channel, Telugu films. But Charminar is Charminar. Whoever come in Hyderabad, they can visit Charminar definitely.
Whoever comes to Charminar, they will visit Nimra
Whoever
definitely.
come, no, yes, correct. It's a second landmark. Come on, please try. This is our Irani chai, and first you can try this. It's a real maska bun.
So this
You want to
is,
know the quality what we are introducing the customer. Please try this.
we will definitely try. So ఇక్కడ బేకరీ అండ్ చాయ్ ఫేమస్ అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ మస్కా బన్ విత్ దిస్ చాయ్, ఇరానీ చాయ్ అల్టిమేట్ కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూస్తూ ఇలా చార్మినార్ని చూస్తూ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ తాగాలన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద హైదరాబాద్ లుక్స్ లైక్ అనమాట. సో ప్రాపర్ హైదరాబాద్కి ఎవడన్నా ట్రిప్కి వచ్చినారు అని అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ ఫోటో షుడ్ బి ఇన్ దేర్ సోషల్ మీడియా ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ దేర్ గ్యాలరీ. సో ఇది లేకపోతే ఇంకా హైదరాబాద్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ అనమాట. సో అందుకని నిమ్రా అనేది ఇంత ఎమోషనల్లీ కనెక్టెడ్, ఇంత ఎమోషనల్లీ బాండెడ్ అనమాట. సో ఇది ఈ చాయ్ అనేది జస్ట్ చాయ్ కాదు, ఇది ఒక ఎమోషన్. సో అందుకే చాయ్ తాగుదాం నిమ్రా విత్ చార్మినార్. హ్యావ్ యువర్ టీ. సో నిమ్రా ఓనర్ తో కూర్చొని మనం
Owner son.
ఓనర్ సన్.
Abhyar.
సో ఆయన ఓనర్ అంటే ఒప్పుకోవట్లేదు.
You can say the correct answer. I'm not here owner. My father can be. He's the owner.
తెలుగు వచ్చా మీకు?
అర్థమైందా మొత్తం తెలుగు నాకు, but I can't speak more about the accent.
ట్రై చేయండి ఒకసారి.
I'm trying. I know the many words about to connect with the Telugu language, but I'm trying to connect with the language because I need that Telugu language, because in this place people need to get a Telugu language also.
हैदराबाद में तेलुगु लोग भी हिंदी ही बोलते हैं ज्यादातर, है ना?
तेलुगु और हिंदी बोलते हैं। और यहाँ पर सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है, काफी सारे अदर कम्युनिटीज के लोग, इनका लैंग्वेज कोलैबोरेशन जो है, उर्दू, तेलुगु और हिंदी कोलैब होता। आप प्रॉपर हैदराबादी को देखें, उनका एक्सेंट, उनका बात करने का तरीका, उनका बॉडी लैंग्वेज परफेक्ट वही विजन से जो ओल्ड लोग थे यहाँ पर। अभी हैदराबाद में कुछ लोग बाहर से आ चुके हैं जो हैदराबादी बोलते हैं।
That's why it is called old city.
It's a gold city.
It's a gold city.
Yes.
అండ్ నిజంగానే ఇక్కడికి వస్తే పాత బస్తీ ఈ పురాతనమైన స్ట్రీట్స్ లో తిరుగుతూ ఉంటే ఏదో కాలం వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోయిందేమో అని అనిపిస్తుంది. కొంచెం రిలాక్సేషన్, ఏదో ఒక ఎమోషన్ డ్రాగ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటది మనల్ని.
I can ask you one question about now. What do you think about now? Are you feel happy?
Truly,
Totally. Hardly you can say.
From the bottom of my heart.
Yeah, thank you. Great. Come on, please, you can try this.
So if we are happy, we have to have maskaban.
Yeah, it's a real venna.
Real venna na?
It's not a butter. It's a real venna.
Okay, wow. It's very spongy and ఈ బన్ ఇవంతా కూడా ఇక్కడే తయారు చేస్తారు.
Yes.
Wow.
You can take the bite. Not to inspire my words what I said you, but try. Say truth. It's good or bad. That's it.
Ultimately awesome.
Thank you. You can dip it there.
Yeah. This is actual Hyderabad maska bun. ఇట్లా తినాలన్నమాట. ఇందులో ముంచుకొని ఇలా దీన్ని అది కింద పడిపోయే లోపు మనం తినేసేయాలి దీన్ని. ఆల్రెడీ బన్ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది, చాయ్లో ముంచిన తర్వాత ఇంకా సాఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. హెవెన్.
Thank you.
This food, this chai and Charminar.
Yes.
What else we need in life?
Any people need this type of monument about background of the photo.
Fantastic.
It's a live. It's in live now. And now you can try Osmania biscuit. This.
హైదరాబాద్ కా షాన్ అథెంటిక్ ఉస్మానియా బిస్కెట్ అంటే ఇది. సో హౌ డు యు మేక్ దిస్?
Simple ingredients.
Simple ingredients.
Flavor, salt, and butter.
అంతే. సో జస్ట్ కొంచెం పిండి, సాల్ట్, బటర్ వేసి చేసే ఉస్మానియా బిస్కెట్ హైదరాబాద్ లో మాత్రమే దొరికే అథెంటిక్ టేస్ట్ ఇది. సో ఇది కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ నిమ్రా కేఫ్ లో చాలా ఫేమస్. సో ఈ చాయ్ లో ముంచుకొని తాగొచ్చు అన్నమాట.
I met a lot of media people like Anjana Kashyap madam. They came here twice, and Rajdeep Sardesai, he came one time, and Rahul Kanwal sir and Prashant Kishore sir, he also came and he also tried the Irani chai Osmania biscuit in that table. I'm so lucky here without calling someone here to see the Nimra.
You are not inviting anybody.
No one. No, I can't do it. But I'm so lucky. I got a space. It's a gift I've got to my family in front of monument. So it's a reason people are coming here to see this monument, and they tried our Iranian chai and snacks.
Uninvited
correct.
guests.
Correct.
Fortune it
Yes,
is.
thank you.
Fantastic. So this is the Osmania biscuit, ultimately authentic.
Thank you.
You know, Osmania biscuit कोई कुछ जगह पे ही ऑथेंटिक मिलता है हमें.
तो देखिए हैदराबाद के अंदर ऐसे कई बेकरीज है और कई फैक्ट्रीज है जो बिस्किट बनाते हैं, मगर उसमें से कुछ कैफे बहुत अच्छी चीज बनाते हैं, जिसमें आता है निमरा, कैफे नीलोफर, सुभान बेकरी, कराची बेकरी और केएस बेकर्स. ये 5 तो मैं किसी के सामने बोलता हूँ तो ये हमारे स्टेट की वैल्यू है. ये जितने भी कैफेज का नाम लिया, जितने बेकरी का नाम लिया, ये हमारे स्टेट की वैल्यू है. और ये लोग सब अपनी अपनी जगह अपने आप रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं.
Nilofer Baburao and you friends?
He is my family friend.
Really?
Yes.
आप लोग डिस्कस करते हैं क्या बिजनेस के बारे में, चाय के बारे में?
देखिए,
आपके इंग्रेडिएंट्स
अब मैं
कहाँ से
अब
लेके
आपको
आना, हमारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. देखिए ये सब चीज़ आती है आदमी के नेचर से और उसकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी से और उसके दानम से. मैं जिसका नाम आप अभी लिए बाबूराव सेठ, ये मेरे अंकल के सर के हैं और मेरी फैमिली है. और इनका जो काम, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है जो मैं आपके सामने बोल नहीं सकता, जो बिल्कुल क्लोज है पब्लिक के सामने, जो सरप्राइजली जो हेल्पिंग हैंड्स हैं उनके पास, जो काम करते हो, मैं बहुत कम लोगों को देखा उसमें वो भी आते हैं। उनका जो दानम देने का तरीका, लोगों को हेल्प करने का तरीका, शायद वही रीज़न है आज उनका एक तेलंगाना को रिप्रेजेंट करने का कैफे उनका इस वक्त, कैफे नीलोफर गच्चीबोली का। और रहा उनके सन बेटे जिसका नाम सुशांत राव है, वो तो मेरे लिए एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है और बहुत ग्रेट लड़का है वो, और हर वो चीज़ एक नए तरीके से प्रमोट करते हो, पेश करता है बच्चा को। और हम लोग कभी भी कुछ भी रहा तो एक दूसरे से बात तो करते हैं कैसा। अब रहा सवाल सीक्रेट का, कुछ भी सीक्रेट नहीं है, कोई भी चीज़
दिल से रहता है,
सब प्यार है उसके अंदर, सब प्यार है। और मैं समझता हूँ ऐसे लोग, आप भी शायद मौका मिला तो मिले कभी, सुशांत से, बाबरो, सबसे मिले आप, शायद आपको मेरे बोलने से ज्यादा आपको भी शायद खींचेगा, मगर मैं लाइव हूँ आपके साथ।
रहते हैं, कभी कभी सुनते रहते हैं, बाबूराव जी दिल से बात करते हैं, कुछ अंदर नहीं रखते हैं।
नहीं, आप वो ट्रांसपेरेंट है लोग।
हाँ।
कोई चीज उनके पास छुपी नहीं है, सब सामने आपके बात करते हैं। और मैं इतना क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ उनके बारे में, मैं आपको पहला वर्ड बोल दिया, मेरी फैमिली है वो, मेरे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स है, मेरे डैडी के दौर से।
You don't consider him as competition?
अगर मौका मिला ऐसा नीलोफर का कॉम्पिटिशन तो नीलोफर मेरी है। मतलब नीलोफर के साथ मैं भी खड़ा हूँ। क्या बोलता हूँ, मैं कभी नहीं चाहूंगा कि कोई कॉम्पिटिटर आए किसी एक दूसरे के बारे में। उन्होंने अपनी जगह बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मैं मेरी जगह, हम हमारी जगह काम करें, और दूसरे बेकरी वाले अपनी जगह काम करें। सिर्फ हमको ये मालूम है कि हम लोग हैदराबाद के अंदर एक प्रोमोटर से और पब्लिक को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। निम्रा और नीलोफर, सुभान, कराची, ये हमारे लिए हैदराबाद के प्रोमोटर बेकरीज और कैफेज है। और मैं चाहूँगा कभी हमारे और इन लोगों के, आप एक दूसरे के बीच में कभी कंपटीशन ना आए, कभी कंपटीशन ना आए।
Super.
Thank you.
And you guys are like making Hyderabad so proud.
Thank you.
In the map of world.
Thank you.
Fantastic. And चाय तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहता है। निम्रा केफ का चाय, it is not just famous because it is near Charminar. It is famous because of its taste.
इसके अंदर की जो चीजें हैं, लोग सोचते हैं क्या मिलाते हैं। बिल्कुल, एक हम कुछ मिलाते हैं।
चाय पत्ती कहाँ से लेके आते हैं आप?
ये तो खैर हमारे और आसाम के बीच में हमारी एक फैमिली है, अग्रवाल फैमिली, जो बाबा, हमारे डैडी और बाबरो साहब के बहुत क्लोजली फ्रेंड्स हैं। इन्हीं के पास से हमारी पत्ती आती है।
कौन सा स्टेट?
हैदराबाद से लोग अग्रवाल फैमिली से, मतलब अग्रवाल ब्लैंक करते हैं, अच्छे लोग, अच्छी फैमिली।
कहाँ से प्रोक्योर करते हैं ये
लोग? पूरा जहाँ से पत्ती, जैसे कि दार्जिलिंग, आसाम और केरला, यहाँ से भी है। मगर हमारे लिए निम्रा की टीम है वो लोग।
ओके।
हमको कभी दिक्कत नहीं हुई पत्ती के लिए, हम लोग को हर वक्त सपोर्ट करते हैं काम के। और कोई इसके अंदर ऐसी चीज मिली भी नहीं है जो लोग चाय के बारे। हाँ, आज के पीरियड टाइम के अंदर लोग जिस तरह की बातें करते हैं, आप सामने लाइव देखें, आपके सामने ट्रांसपेरेंट है, कुछ भी नहीं, प्योर चीज है उसके अंदर, मिल्क प्योर है, पत्ती बहुत अच्छी है, ओपन किचन है, लाइव आप भी देख सकते हैं, किसी के लिए रुकावट नहीं है देखने के लिए। चाहे नीलोफर भी देख लो आप, बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट है आपके साथ।
ट्रू। So that's what is making you feel great.
Thank you.
About it.
Same here.
Fantastic. और आपके पास कितने लोग स्टाफ है?
मेरे पास कभी तो 50+ होते हैं। उसके अंदर शिफ्ट्स होते हैं मेरे पास, और इतनी प्यारी टीम है, इतने काइंड।
सब लोग फैमिली है आपकी?
मैं सीधी बात है, कोई भी कैफे उनके बगैर नहीं है। उन्होंने रहने से कैफे रन होता है। आप उनको सपोर्ट करो, उनके काम के लिए उनको रेस्पेक्ट दो। आप लोग को एक जगह पर ले खड़ाते हो लोग।
हम अंदर बात करें, कोई यहाँ पे 20 साल से काम कर रहे थे, 15 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, कोई एक जगह ही इतने साल क्यों काम करता है भाई?
मैडम देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो हर किसी का अपने अपने पर्सनल ऑपरेशन है, जो काम करने के तरीके लोगों को लेके चलते हैं। आप उनको एम्प्लॉयज और सर्वेंट के नाम से हटा दें, उनको टीम का खिताब दे दें, टीम बोले। आप उनको सिर्फ शोल्डर पे हाथ रखें, आप देखें उनका काम। हम लोग का जो सेक्टर है, जो काम करने का तरीका है, हम लोग सेल्स पे काम नहीं करते, सर्विस पे काम करते हैं। हमारा सबसे बेस्ट अगर कोई चीज़ हमारे पास चलती है निम्रा के अंदर तो हॉस्पिटैलिटी है, जो हमारी टीम के पास अंदर से है। उनको फ्रीडम है, किसी को कोई रुकावट नहीं है।
Fantastic. Salam, I should say, whatever.
Thank you. Everything.
What I have to
give
say.
Give the bless. आप खाली bless दे उनको, उन्होंने ऐसी रहे और हम भी उनके साथ ऐसी रहे।
keep growing, keep growing.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Keep the spirit up every time
Thank you.
and keep make Charminar more proud.
Proud to being a part of Respect India, Respect Telangana, Respect Hyderabad, and respect you all team, those who are here to take the videos
Protecting our culture, tradition and our heritage
and yes,
at the same time.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
God-
you, Aslam.
Thank you. God
so
bless.
much.